Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, October 26, 2021. In this quick video, I'm going to take you inside the back office of Infinity Processing System and show you exactly what you're going to get when you join. Before we do that, I just want to let you know there are 3 different levels that you can join at. We have a starter level here. That's a one-time fee of $50 plus a $25 admin website fee. We have the elite level, which is $150 plus the $25 admin fee. And we have the pro level, which is $300 plus the $25 admin fee. Now, these fees are only one time, so once you pay these, you never have to pay again. The $25 admin fee is for your personalized website that you're going to get with this, okay? So, I joined at the pro level. When I log in, you're going to see what you get at the pro membership level. And I've done another video that goes over briefly what you get at each level. You can check that out. All right, so I'm just going to log in here. Alright, so once you're logged in, you're going to have step 1 you're going to go through. It's an intro. There's a video here that you can watch. There are links to join our Facebook coaching and proof group. You're going to learn how to create your payment buttons because you get paid instant commissions and you can use whatever payment processors that you'd like. And then this is where you order your website. Alright, so that's step number 1. Alright, so step number 2 is create your automated sales funnel. This is totally optional, but I highly recommend you do it. And if you're new to this and join under me, then I will help you get this set up so that you're off to the right start, okay? What I do is I set up capture pages that look like this. And I just have it so people come in, they enter their name, their email, they click on I want to make $300 a day. They're then taken over to the IPS sales page where they can watch a short video and get all the information they need in order to make a decision on whether this is something they want to join or not. Alright, so it's super simple. If you've not done this before, then I will help you, okay? And then we have all of this stuff here. So what to say when they ask you for information. We have the winning mindset, which these are videos, alright, just so you can see. Alright, adapting a success mindset, change your habits, and there's all kinds of videos in here. We have the art of persuasion and influence. Depending on what level you come in is going to determine how many pre-written ads and bonus images you're going to get. At the pro level, you get the 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus images. So these are what you're going to be posting on different sites. This is how you upgrade or update your website with new pictures, replace payment options, etc. We have a 7-day action plan for success. You're going to learn Facebook marketing mastery. And this is actually, between YouTube and Facebook, this is where I get 90% of my leads, okay? I don't pay for any traffic. I rarely pay for any traffic. And I've never paid for any traffic as far as IPS is concerned, okay? I built my list. I have over 70 people now. And I just started this about, back on October 4th. So just over 2 weeks, okay? So these methods that you're going to learn in here really work if you apply them. But then again, there's how to purchase paid traffic if that's something you choose to do. We have Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, and then how to automate your business with your 6-figure system. And then you have extra bonuses down here, which include a hotel and restaurant discount voucher. Alright, so that's it. I just wanted to take a minute and show you all the cool things that you get in the back office here when you join this, alright? You get a full training, and I can't guarantee that you're going to make money with this, but what I can guarantee you is that if you apply these simple strategies that you're going to learn here, use the high converting pre-written ads, that there's no reason you can't have success with this, okay? And that's all it really is. It's just a matter of coming in here, focusing on going through the training, and then applying that in real life. And there's no reason you won't see results with this. Okay, so if you'd like to learn more about this, please click the link in the description box. You'll be taken over to my capture page that I showed you before. You just simply enter your name, your email address, click I want to make $300 a day. You'll be taken over to the Infinity Process System sales page where you can watch a short video and get all the information you need in order to make a decision on whether this is something for you or not, okay? So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you found value in this, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a great rest of your day. And as always, peace be with you.